In this section, we're going to see how to use the Hlookup function. Now, here we've got two areas where we want to be able to input information. So we can input information about packages, so it can be size A, B, or C, so different sizes. And here we want to specify codes for whether it's being posted by land, sea, or air. Then down here, I've got the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, then ABC, and I've got the various data for the prices, depending on whether it's going, by land, sea, or air, and depending whether it's basically size A, B, or C. So if I click here, click on where it says Formulas, then go to Lookup and Reference, and this time click on Hlookup. If I click where it says Lookup Value here, and click on A, then here I specify the table, so I just drag across the table, and here I'll specify this cell here. Then when I click on OK, look what happens. At the moment we're saying let's use a package at size A and send it by land, which is 2. So if we look at A2, sure enough, that's 3.5. If we want to specify that a package is a large package, so we'll specify C there, then that's obviously going to go up. So in this case we're saying it's a C package, it's going by land 6.6, which is correct. Let's say we wanted to send that by air, then that would be, instead of 2, that would be 4. So I'll change that to 4. So if you want to send a large package by air, it's going to be here, here, 16. So if I just click here to look at the syntax, you're using the Hlookup formula there, or function rather. Here we've got the input for the first item, input for the first item there will be the size of the package. Here we've got the input for the type of mail, land, sea, or air, which is 2, 3, or 4. And then in the middle there we've got the range. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to use but quite powerful.